Welcome back, YouTube, to the railway. Sorry if it's a bit noisy because of all the trains. I'll stop them in a sec. But as you can see, I've downloaded it on the app on my iPad, and I got 2 columns now which I can control it in, which is good. Yeah, and anyway, this is just a makeup video because I missed during the week sometime. Yeah, this is just a bit of a running session really using this new thing, so hope you enjoy. Alright YouTube, this concludes our running session. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button, like button, and don't forget to comment, as I always love reading your comments. Most of them are always positive. And also, yeah, just stay tuned for more. Hopefully I'll get more running sessions in the future. And a new intro will be out shortly because I'd gotten, well, one of my subscribers actually, I asked them to give me a bit of advice, they did, and one of them was that my intro is a bit too long, so I'm in the middle of shortening it, and I'm pretty sure I'm happy with the one I've made, but I'm just gonna go through it, make sure it's okay, and hopefully shortly you'll see a new intro, so keep an eye out for that. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.